Chapter number 20. Jalaluddin Rumi was a great poet. His poetry is in Persian. Gita or Vedas is a holy book of Hindus. Tripitaka is the holy book of Buddhism. Guru Nanak Sahib is a holy book of Sikhs. Which civilized is oldest among the following? That is Harappa. The first unnamed spaceship landed on the moon on 30 May 1966. Which city is the oldest inhabited capital in the world? That is Damascus. Temple Tree is an official residence of Prime Minister of Sri Lanka. Who won the Battle of Waterloo? Duke of Wellington. Muhammad bin Qasi was the first Muslim who invaded India and made Sindh a province of Arab dominance. He came to India 712 AD. Genghis Khan was a Mongol conqueror who came to India during the reign of Iltutmish. Qutbuddin Aibak was the first Muslim king of Delhi Sultanate and the founder of slave dynasty. Razia Sultana was the only Muslim woman monarch of Hindustan. His reign lasted 3 years. Third Battle of Panipat was fought in 1761. Todarmal was the revenue minister of King Akbar, who was the author of Ain Akbari and Akbarnama. That is B. Abdul Fazl. Ibn Battuta was a Moorish traveller who visited India in C. 14th century. Al-Biruni wrote a book, An Inquiry into India, with great historical value. He came India along with Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni. Sher Shah defeated Humayun in 1950 AD. As a result, he became the emperor of Hindustan. The battle is called Battle of Kannauj. D answer. Babur was the founder of Mughal dynasty. He defeated Ibrahim Lodi. Babur founded Mughal dynasty, defeating Ibrahim Lodi at Panipat in 1526. Aryans came to India about 2000 BC from Central Asia. Who were the original residents of northern India before the arrivals of Aryans, that is Dravidians? The famous oil painting known as the creation of Leonardo da Vinci. How many Arab-Israel wars has so far been fought? That is C. 4 times. Who was known as citizen king of France? That is C. Louis Philippe. Who was called the Islamic coordinator? That is B. King Faisal. Which of the following is called the Bible of English Constitution? That is C. Magna Carta. Umar bin Abdul Aziz was a caliph of, that is B. Umayyad Caliphate. Mongols destroyed Baghdad and overthrew Arab Empire in, that is C. 1258. Sultan Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj in 1193 and found the Muslim rule in India. The battle was known as, that is C. Battle of Tarain. 1965 war between India and Pakistan continued instantly for, that is C. 17 days. Indira Gandhi, Prime Minister of India, was assassinated by Sikhs in, that is C. 1984. Faiz Ahmad Faiz, famous Urdu poet, died in, that is D. 1984. Second Islamic Summit Conference was held at Lahore in, that is A. 1974. First Islamic Summit Conference was held in 1969 at, that is D. Rabat. King Faisal Shah died by his nephew in 1975 in the city of C. रियाज इसका नाम है, लेकिन इंग्लिश में रियाद बोला जाता है. उस्ताद दिमान वाज द पोएट ऑफ, दैट इज़ बी. पंजाबी लैंग्वेज. पाकिस्तानी कल्चर इज़ अ मिक्स्ड कल्चर. हज़रत लाल शहबाज कलंदर was famous Sufi poet of Sindh. The Tashkent Declaration 1966 was signed by the President of Pakistan Muhammad Ayub Khan and the Indian Prime Minister that is D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The world famous Madame Tussauds Museum is situated in, that is B. London. Hazrat Lal Jibaz Chandra was buried in, that is C. Sehwan Sharif. Hazrat Mian Mir was great religious farmer. He is buried in, that is C. Lahore. Hazrat Baba Farid Ganshakar is buried in, that is C. Pakpatan. Hazrat Bahauddin Zikri is buried in, that is B. Multan. Which city of Pakistan is known as Data Ki Nagari? That is D. Lahore is called Data Ki Nagari. Which ancient city is considered as period of Gandhara civilization? That is B. Taxila. Who was the first Punjabi poet? That is Baba Farid Ganshakar. Rahman Baba was a poet of, that is C. Pashto language. Jamdarag is known to be only romantic poet of, that is B. Balochi. Dulhan is a famous poem of Balochi language. The poet is B. Ishaq Shami. The famous Shrine of Hazrat Pari Imam is located at, that's D. Islamabad. The sea border in the Gulf of Tonkin is distributed between China and, that is C. Vietnam. Who is called the Shakespeare of Punjabi literature? That is C. Waris Shah. The only Pakistani poet who got the Lenin Prize was, that is B. Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Confucianism is a religious mythology of, that is B. China. Shintoism is a religious mythology of, that is A. Japan. The only Hindu state in the world is, that is B. Nepal. The famous Punjabi love story Sassi Puno is written by, that is A. Hashim Shah. Yusuf Zulekha, a Punjabi love story, is written by, that is C. Maulvi Ghulam Rasool. Punjabi Qissa Saiful Muluk is written by, that is B. Mian Muhammad Baksh. The battle in which English won and later captured Lahore is, that is B. Battle of Sabram. Who abolished slavery in America? That is B. Abraham Lincoln. Who is called the Indian Napoleon? That is C. Samudragupta. The Chernobyl nuclear power plant has been closed permanently. It was located in, that is A. Ukraine. The first country who recognized Pakistan after its creation was, that is B. Iran. Who is called a master builder? That is A. Shah Jahan. The slave king buried in Lahore is, that is B. Qutbuddin Aibak. Aibak died during the game of, that is B. Polo. Who was known the prophet of Italian unification? That is C. Football. That is Mazzini. C. Mazzini. Indus Valley civilization destroyed by, that's C. Aryans. National Democratic Front of Bodoland is struggling for a separate homeland in the Indian state of, that is B. Assam.